Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So excuse the background noise, my husband's in the next room watching a movie. I'm kicking off my outfit of the day. Today's Sunday, it's extremely rainy and yucky outside, and I have my ring light on. What did I do today? I went to the gym, came home, watched some YouTube videos, took my shower, went out to the diner with my husband, and then I did some filming, so you'll get to see both my loft video, White House Black Market, and Sam Edelman, and then my part one of my Nordstrom anniversary sale. So what am I wearing today? It is hot, humid, sticky, and rainy. Not the best weather. I am wearing this adorable little sweater that I got from Stitch Fix probably last summer. It is in this peachy color, and I'm wearing it with a pair of seersucker pinstripe Riviera shorts from Loft that I got, I think, last summer as well too. These shorts fit me perfectly. They're up a great length for me. I think they're probably a 4-inch length. They come right to my fingertips. There are pockets, but I kept them sewn up so they don't pull. And yeah, they're a nice lightweight short, and this is my outfit for today. Oh, I'm wearing my who are these by? Steve Madden, I think. Steve Madden slides that I got from a Nordstrom Trunk Club years ago. So probably about 3 years ago I got these. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Monday and I'm not too grumpy. Why is that? Because it was a rest day for me and I surely needed it. The gym is very rough on my body. I mean, I run like 2.5 and I'm starting to get to 2.6 miles each class. So under 30 minutes I do that. And then I do weights on the floor. So it just takes a wear and tear on my body. So when I need a rest day, I really need a rest day. I'm also pretty excited because my friend from Shannon Style, Shannon, is flying out here on Thursday. So it's a shortened week for me. I only work Monday through Wednesday, and Thursday through Sunday, I get to have a friend to hang out with. So I'm pretty happy about that. So what am I wearing today for Monday? I may have to be on a video call today, I'm not sure. So I wore my new Sienna blouse from White House Black Market. Love this blouse, love the color. I put the other blouse in the Goodwill pile that matched this color. I don't think I would need and wear both of them. And the split sleeve on the other one was just kind of, yeah, it wasn't calling to me anymore. With it, I paired my level 99 pants that I got from Poshmark. If you have not tried Poshmark, give it a shot. I mean, there's so many things out there. I stick to the brands that I know I like and work well with my body. And I've only had one purchase that didn't work out. Everything that I received was new with tags. That's all I specifically look for. And I specifically look for items that I know are going to work with my closet. So it's not like the boxes where I say, yeah, I'll give it a shot. The items that I do buy, I tend to say, you know, this is something that's a gap in my closet. Let me see if it works. So yeah, I love these pants for level 99. They're like, I think like a linen blend. They have the slash pockets here in the front. They do have this wide cuff at the bottom, which doesn't bother me, and a looser leg. And I'm wearing them with my new Dolce Vita minimalist strappy sandals. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, welcome to another day. Today is Tuesday. I received last night in the mail my Trendsend, and I'm super excited to try it on. But I did not try it on last night because it was dark and I needed to film it, and I have to go to work this morning. So maybe this afternoon, maybe I'll have a little bit of time to film. I am so excited about it. Do I need any of this? No, but they got some cute things. All right, enough about that. What am I wearing today? So today I'm wearing this green top. The company that makes it is called Jade. I got this in my front door fashion. Love the color. I believe they call it Caribbean green. And I paired it with my white Democracy jeans, which I gave a little bit of a roll to. My shoes are my nude minimalistic slides that I recently got from Dolce Vita. I believe I wore them yesterday. And I'm wearing this braided tan belt that I got from Ever Eve, I think last summer, possibly the summer before that. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is 7:40 in the morning. My daughter's still sleeping, so I'm trying to do this a little bit quietly. It is dark, gloomy, and overcast. Again, No surprise. So I have both my hi-hats and ring light on today. Sorry for the bad quality of the video. I plan on, once I hit 2,000 subscribers, to possibly get some new lighting to help improve the quality of my videos. I think that's my thing that's lacking the most, is especially when I step back, I see it myself. I would get annoyed watching these videos because they're not clear. And that's the whole point, for me to show you the clothes and how they fit on me. And that's not so great when the quality isn't good. But right now I'm not making any money on this channel. I just don't want to spend much money into it. So I figured maybe once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I can, cough up some money for some lighting. All right, so what am I wearing today? I am wearing this light blue, or not light blue, almost like cerulean blue tank from Loft from a couple years ago. Really cute sweater tank. So this is a sweater material. It kind of has like a nubby texture over the top of it, because I know I get cold. I'm just wearing this gauze top that has the roll tab sleeves from Calvin Klein. And I'm wearing a pair of White House Black Market denim shorts that I've had in my closet probably 4 years now, maybe even 5, or in my drawer, I should say. And yeah, none of this is new. I shop my closet for this look. I have off tomorrow and Friday. My friend Shannon from Shannon Style is coming out to visit me for a fun girls weekend. And I am in vacation mode today, so hence the short outfit. I am working from home, but I am casual and relaxed today with my goalless sneakers as well. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday and I'm off today because my friend Shannon from Shannon Style is coming to visit me. So what am I doing today? Well, first I am gonna film a very quick Amazon video for you guys because I'm excited about these purchases and I want to put them away before she gets here. Then I'm gonna hopefully have a little bit of time left to edit a Trendsend video that I have going up, hopefully. And then I'm running to the post office to return my Trendsend, and then I'll be leaving the house to go pick her up. And we'll see what kind of adventures we get into today. So what am I wearing? I am wearing this adorable Loft two-piece set that you recently saw in one of my purchases. So it's a pair of shorts that are pull-on style and a little top. Both of them are made out of like a linen blend. And it's obviously the one shoulder style. I have my Amazon one shoulder sports bra underneath. Very comfortable, much better than a strapless bra. And I'm wearing my new Sam Elliman slides. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Saturday and I am still here with Shannon, and Shannon's in the kitchen drinking her coffee. And after she finishes her coffee, we're gonna head over to a unique bagel store in my area and then to the post office to return my Stitch Fix. Then we're coming back here and we're filming the rest of my Nordstrom haul and then heading over to Nordstrom Rack to do all my returns from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Lots of fun. And then we'll probably go to an outlet shopping center after that. So what is my outfit for today for dragging Shannon along on my errands? I am wearing this Loft sweater from a few years ago. It's mostly cotton, 80% cotton, 16% viscose, 4% other. I actually just looked at the label with Shannon. And the shorts are from Target, 98% cotton, 2% spandex. And my shoes are my brand new shoes, breaking them out, by Dolce Vita. They were just too cute, had to have them. They're like a crochet sneaker. So yeah, this is my outfit for today for running errands and doing some shopping. Take care and see you tomorrow. Oh, actually you won't see me tomorrow. This is my last day of the week. Take care, give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Take care, until next time.